In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money from your Questrade account to your bank account. So once you're in the app, select Move Money. Then you're going to select Withdrawal. In order to make a withdrawal using the mobile app, first you have to set up your bank account using the website, right? So you're going to go ahead and open browser and log into your account. Now once you have logged in, select Move Money. Then you're going to select Withdrawal. So here select the currency that you want to withdraw in. Specify the amount that you would like to withdraw. Then select Done and select a method of withdrawal that you prefer. Alright, I'm going to go with the electronic fund transfer, which is of no fee. Then here is where you're going to connect your bank account. So you're going to select Connect New Bank Account and select Connect My Bank Account. Select I agree and then select the bank account that you would like to connect. So here you're going to provide your banking details and then select Submit. Then select a bank account that you would like to link and then select Continue. Select Finish and then you can go ahead and proceed with making the withdrawal by selecting Continue. Then go ahead and send request, and within 3 business days the money will be deposited to your bank account. Then go ahead and select Done, and that's basically it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.